Hey y'all, hey, welcome back. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. So with that being said, we're going to do like we do. We're going to get right into this video. Now, you know your girl is always sitting over here real cool, real calm, collect. You get what I'm saying? Because it seems like I am becoming YouTube famous. All right. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So now Jasmine girl. So I watched the video where, you went head on and you clickbaited the title saying that making a little move. And you get what I'm saying? I don't have no problem with it because I will do a clickbait in a minute. Yes, your girl will. And y'all already know. Okay? But now you guys know me and you always like to come and watch my content no matter what title I put up. Y'all seem to roll right on in and give your girl some love. And as this is the Thanksgiving season, you get what I'm saying? I just want to say thank you. All right. So anyway, I went ahead on and I clicked on the video. I did not know that you really wasn't moving. I really thought that you was moving. So you know what I'm saying? You got me there. It is what it is, girl. Yes, you did, girl. And I'm pretty sure that I am not the only one. But again, I may as well be. But anyway. So anyway, you said that, you received the desk. And let me tell you from firsthand, looking at this desk, as Chris decided to put it together, I want to let you know, the desk was really, really nice. I think that your girl is going to have to go get one as well. So, yeah, it was just really neat. I like the fact that, it was electronic. You could stand up and use it. You can sit down and use it. And even a lot of times when you have a desk that you sit at, a lot of times you want it to be a little bit lower. A lot of times you want it to be a little bit higher. And that desk, you could do every single thing with. So like I said, I really, really, really like that desk. All right. Now, the thing that really, really got me was the fact that you blew the shit out me, Jasmine. Yeah, you did, girl. Now, let's get over to the real shit. Girl, did I hear and you went to the door and let Chris in. Now, Jasmine, you already know your girl know what you did. I already know that most likely, or really, Chris was already there. So you already know, I'm going to tell y'all how it went down. Let me tell y'all. So Jasmine, look, we got to go ahead and do this video. So I can go ahead and get, some sponsorships for this table, for this desk or whatever. So what I'm going to need you to do, because see, they already on, you get what they already on you staying here. And I mean, I like to eat, and I mean, you like to eat. You cook all the food up. You put all the seasoning on everything at one time in the whole entire seasoning cabinet. So, baby, we are going to need to keep our stamps at the amount that it is. And what I'm going to need you to do, Chris, go outside, knock on the door like this. She even showed him how to knock, and she didn't even know how to do that. I'm pretty sure Jazz was like, go outside and knock on the door like this. Then I'm going to come to the door, and then you going to give me kisses and hug on me and touch my gluteus maximus like, you really, really like for me and you down for me. So before we do this, Chris, let's go ahead and let's do a dry run. Let's do a draft. So Chris went ahead on or whatever. He knocked on the door or whatever. And they did the draft. And then, Chris was like, all right, Jasmine, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this for you this time, but I'm not going to keep doing this. After I get my PlayStation, this is going to be over with. PlayStation over with. PlayStation over with. I'm not going to keep doing all this, Jasmine. Okay, Chris, no problem. I got it. So that's what happened. And I mean, like I said, it is what it is. So, Chris came on in. And, he put up the desk and everything. Jasmine, what got me, though, was the fact that you said that you needed some help moving the desk. Come on now, Jasmine. Aiden, you already know how Aiden go. All you had to do was go and unlock Aiden and Ava's room. And Aiden would have ran down the hallway and been like, Ma, where you want me to put this shit at? You know that. So Jasmine, stop trying to act like, you carry that damn desk, girl. That desk is paper lights. It really is. You ain't need him or whatever. Now, to go ahead and put it up or whatever, I don't even think you need it, Chris, or whatever, but you got a man, so therefore I feel it. You gonna bring, come on, Chris, after you get off from Subway, you are going to come over here and help me get my desk, you know, ready, installed, and, you know, up and everything, so I can go ahead and get these coins. All right. And I ain't hating on you, Jasmine, because I would have done the same exact thing. So yeah, so Jasmine, you know, put the other desk in a room. You know, Jasmine said that she was creating a vanity. Now, Jasmine, I'm going to tell you, just like Chris said, that get vanity set was ghetto as shit. And Jasmine, yes, baby girl, that shit was, I mean, ghetto. But what I am going to tell you, Jasmine, is this. If you actually get a bigger mirror with like some lights around it, or, you know, something, go on Pinterest or whatever, you could go ahead and bring that out. I'm telling you some real shit. You could go ahead on and bring that out. If I was you, what I will also do is I will go to IKEA, and you know how they have them white, I think they come in 3s, 4s, or 5s. I will put one of them right by there, so I could put more of my cosmetics and, you know, depression medications and everything that needed to go in there. I would have it set up. But I mean, hey, you ain't gotta listen to me, but you know, your girl know about the decor shit. And you know the fashion. Yeah, your girl know. That's why the bitches on here be like real mad. They be so mad. You get what I'm saying? And while they are mad, guess what I'm doing, y'all? Guess what? I am going to the bank each day while they are mad. On here scheming and scamming and begging. I don't know. But anyway, Jasmine. So the thing that got me, Jasmine, would blew the shit out of me. And I was hoping that you wasn't going to do this, Jasmine. I had a whole bunch of faith in you. So you go ahead and you make that a vanity, Jasmine. You already know your daughter wanted a vanity. Why wouldn't you make that little, you know, setup for her right before Christmas? And then when Christmas come, go in and throw her some, you know, little girl cosmetics in and stuff like that. You know, why? Like, I mean, that would have been so beautiful if you would have done that. Now, Jasmine, you done fucked up. Now, Jasmine, now you got Amaya and Kailyn. They already told me, already emailed me. Kailyn and Amaya was walking down the hallway. Kailyn went up. Kailyn was like, Maya, do you see this shit? Did this bitch just go ahead and get herself a vanity, got me a doll that I don't even know what type of doll it is, and it had a camera, and I ain't even a YouTuber, but she gonna go ahead and get her a vanity, and I really want one, Maya. Here go Maya. I know, Kailyn. Don't worry about it. She buy me a lot of shit that I don't want either, instead of getting me the things that I want. But I just go ahead and let it slide. Here go Kailyn. Maya, we are not going to go for that shit this Christmas. If she don't get us the shit that we need, it is balls to the wall. We are going to tear the paint off the walls. We are going to go and get all our crowns and mark on all the walls. We are even going to go and get that big rack of hats that is hanging on mommy's wall of Chris's. And we are going to put them in the toilet, take them back out, and hang them back up. I'm telling y'all, that is what they said. That is what they said. Because I'm trying to tell y'all, Kailyn and Maya, Aiden, and all of them, they always contact me through email. They always contact me through email, let me know how things going on, and I just be like, y'all know what to do. Y'all know exactly what to do. Y'all know I'm playing. I'm just a fool. But anyway, yeah, so, I mean, that was the only thing that really got me, was the fact that I really think that you should have gave your daughter that vanity set. I really, you know, or made it a vanity set for her. I really do. But I mean, like it is, these are my thoughts. These are my opinions. To the content that you have put out. Oh, and Jasmine, one thing I forgot to mention as well is you had that little outfit on that, you know, when you did the onesie that looked like a newborn thing that was gray, you had the pink one on that I said was really, really, really cute. Yes, that was very, very, very cute. I don't know if you tried to, you know, put the pink on because, you know, your little computer pink or whatever. You got your little white, fresh, angelic, you know what I'm saying, desk. But yes, you really did look very, very nice. Not only did you look nice, your skin looked nice as well. Not only that, but Chris, we are in here happy as ever. If I could run through the streets with no clothes on. Because, baby, we did not see that red shirt. We didn't see it. We didn't see that red shirt that every time we see it, we think it is a warning sign or it is a stop sign. Or are you in some type of cult or street gang? So I had to say, yeah, y'all was, you know, a little cute at the end. Y'all was taking a little funny pictures like Chrissy and her man was doing or whatever. So I guess y'all talked and y'all felt like, yeah, let's take some real goofy pictures and stuff and go ahead and post them up. But yeah, and I also seen a picture that someone sent me too. I don't know if you were at your mom's, but you had like a little pink set on. I think I seen you do. Yeah, you did a haul on that, and Chris, you know, didn't have that red shirt on. And I gotta say, y'all look very representable. Like y'all know, like I like to say, y'all were very pulled together. Y'all already know when you come on these cameras, baby, make sure that you are pulled together under any circumstances. All right? And if you are not, come on over here, watch a couple of my videos, and go ahead and pump yourself up to do the same thing. So y'all, no. I'm getting ready to go ahead on and slide up on off of here. And I am going to see you beautiful people in the next video. I am still contemplating, and can y'all stop emailing me? Stop it right now if I am doing Vlogmas. All right, stop it. It's like you're emailing me asking if I'm doing Vlogmas, and then the second email is like, Reese, fuck them bitches. Don't let them see your life. But anyway, y'all, see y'all in the next one.